Do you know the top 4 robots using ChatGPT in 2024? We recently saw Figure's humanoid robot having a great conversation because it was being powered by OpenAI. But did you know that some robots have been integrated with ChatGPT from as early as last year? Before we find out some of these robots, hit that sub button to put a smile on my little face. But how do these robots use ChatGPT, and what is the cause of delays in replying? When robots are equipped with conversational AI capabilities, such as those similar to ChatGPT, they utilize a combination of sensors and input processing to perceive and interpret human interactions. This data is then communicated to the AI system, often hosted remotely, where it undergoes natural language processing to generate a response. The robot receives this response and uses its output systems to convey the answer back to the user. Delays in the robot's replies can be attributed to the time needed for processing the input, network latency during communication with the AI server, the complexity of the queries, and the time required for speech synthesis. As technology progresses, these delays are expected to diminish, leading to more seamless and natural interactions between humans and robots. Let's begin with Spot from Boston Dynamics. Spot is a marvel of modern engineering, a 4-legged robot that can navigate treacherous terrain, climb stairs, and even open doors. But what happens when you integrate Spot with ChatGPT and other AI models? You get a robot tour guide that can interact with visitors, answer their questions, and provide information with a level of engagement that rivals human guides. Spot's integration with AI models serves as a beacon for the future of robotics in public spaces, museums, and beyond.
Hey Spot, I love your accent.
Let us venture onward to the calibration board, shall we? Keep close.
Why, thank you, Mr. Matt.
My linguistics have been meticulously crafted to provide an authentic British experience. Now behold the calibration board, a marvel of black and white QR code tags.